I'm going to combine a couple of videos. They're both from AUKEY, my favorite cable company, probably my favorite power bank company, probably my favorite all-around company, actually. This is USB Type-C to USB 3.0. This is a very flexible cable. I also have the braided nylon cable. This is the black rubber, like PVC type plastic type cable. Still very strong, still very AUKEY oriented as far as build construction goes. The length of this is 3.3 feet. It is reversible Type-C connector, backwards compatible with older USB versions, which I really like. Not all of us have a brand new computer laying around, so it's nice that it is backwards compatible. Supports high-speed charging up to supports high-speed charging and up to 5 Gbps of data transfer. That's through the USB 3.0 though. These are really nice. They hold up really well. It has, of course, the next gen 24-pin USB standard. You can fast charge up to 2.4 amps. Probably the best part about this is the price. $8.59 at Amazon.com. Big thanks to AUKEY for keeping things reasonable. Our devices are so expensive. You don't want to spend $50 on a cable, but you want a reliable cable, especially when it's USB Type-C. There are a lot of junk cables out there, folks, and I'm very happy that Amazon is starting to remove them. They weren't at first, and they were putting anything up that would make money for them. And there was a lot of junk cables out there. This is definitely not one of them. I'm very happy with mine. You can see from the pictures it's just your basic 3.0 in there. You got your USB Type-C in. Got the AUKEY name on there. You can see just by how well built it is right here in this part. I'll bring it up what I'm talking about right here. This whole part where everything's connected is just very well built with AUKEY products. I have used these on my MacBook to transfer data. No problems, high speed, loved it. Here's the flexibility of them. Flexible and durable, bend lifespan up to 5,000, excuse me, plus. I didn't get the other zero up there, but yeah, they're just very well built. Here it is going into, looks like a Nexus device, which is USB Type-C. There's your different speeds, USB 3.0, 5 GPSs, USB 2.0, 480 Mbps's. I think this is a length one. Yeah, this is just an overall length. I like the length of these being 3.3 feet, especially when I'm just charging or syncing up some data or whatnot. This is what you get in the box, or in the box and the cable. Always great presentation from AUKEY. Nice recycled box. This is USB Type-C end. Once again, very well constructed. Everything just fits real snug, which I really like. So if you're looking for a great cable, USB 3.0 backwards compatible to USB Type-C, this is your guy. Next, I'm going to be jumping over to this guy right here, which is USB Type-C to USB Type-C. So these are male to male. Once again, they're from my friends at AUKEY. And another great price, $8.99 at Amazon.com. These are for charging and syncing. Now this is a 6-foot variety. So if you're looking for that little bit of extra, this is your guy right here. I also like having the 6-foot because sometimes I just like to leave my stuff, and every once in a while I forget that I left it, and I pick it up and start pulling my laptop, and then I run out of cord. But with this, you don't have to worry about it. These are premium USB Type-C cables. Great connectors again. Snug fit, as I said. These also have a little bit of a different end on them, so let me grab a picture of those. Right here you can see they're a little bit different how they connect. And again, these are male to male and 6 foot length. Once again, with the durability of these, heat resistant connectors, which that doesn't only add up to a safer cable, it also adds to your speeds. Great picture of the USB Type-C ends, which they both are. We got the AUKEY name on them, and I like this bendable area here. I did use these on my Mac to my Nexus 6, no problems. I think here it is with a Mac and a Nexus 6 actually. You can't tell if it's a Nexus 6, but you get the general idea. Also good charging your MacBook, right there. Don't have to buy an expensive Apple connectors. Go with AUKEY, save a bundle, and still get a high quality product. Here's a picture of the both ends. As you can see, they are Type-C to Type-C. So keep that in mind that this is C to C, male to male. A little bit of the dimensions. There's both cables. I think that's all they provide. But you get the idea. It's 6'6". Very nice. Always great things coming out of AUKEY. You can click on their link right here and it will open up their other products on Amazon, which AUKEY has a ton of. I love their power banks. Never a problem with them. I use them daily. In fact, one's sitting right in front of me right now. But if you own a USB Type-C device, these are great cables. You own a MacBook, great cables. Google Pixel, great cables. Anything USB Type-C, you cannot beat the price of $8.99. I really love that AUKEY takes care of their customers also. They have great tech support. If you ever need them, you can email them. All their information's on the box. They will answer you within 24 hours. 24-month warranty on these. 100% satisfaction for the customer. Guaranteed. Can't beat them. Love AUKEY. Love their products. This one's just another one in my repertoire of AUKEY products that I own, and I've been very pleased with this one. So you got your USB Type-C male to male. You got your USB Type-C to 3.0 USB, backwards compatibility. Can't go wrong on either one of these. $8.59 for the USB Type-C to 3.0, and $8.99 for the USB Type-C to USB Type-C, which is male to male. So jump over to Amazon, check these two products out. I will put links to both products in the video for your convenience. And I will be doing a hands-on with both products in the other video that's going to start right now. As I said, this is both boxes here that you're going to get. This is the USB 2.0 to C. This is the male to male. This is what your box is going to look like. A little bit of information on the back that's not covered by a sticker, which I can't stand. I hate when they do that. But anyways, this is, you can see the product number right there is CB-C19. So that is going to be the male to male, which is going to be this guy right here. Got the backwards AUKEYs on there. Male to male USB Type-C. They come with a little plastic guard on there to keep everything nice and neat. This is the 6.6 foot variety. You can see the cable is a nice bendy, plasticky. It's like a rubber. They got really well constructed ends on them, so you're not going to have any problem with overusing these. This is actually a second pair, so I have another one that's on my computer actually right now. Very nice, very clean. These ends, when they are plugged in, stay plugged in. There's no looseness in there. They are very snug. I really love these. I use the males to male a lot more than I thought I ever would. But using Mac and using Android, this is perfect for a MacBook and to your Android device that's USB Type-C. So great cable, good packaging, always from AUKEY, great warranty on their products, so if there is a problem, you won't have to worry about it. They will back it up. And this is the USB 3.0 to USB Type-C. Backwards compatible. This is the 3.3 foot variety. This one doesn't have the sticker, so you can see some more of the information on there. Reversible Type-C connectors. Backwards compatible with older USB versions. Love it. Supports high charging and up to high speed charging is what they meant, but up to 5 GPS's USB 3.0 data transfer. So to get them speeds, you're going to have to be on the USB type 3.0 end. But these are great. They got some safety information on there from AUKEY. A barcode over there if you want to scan that and check out AUKEY's website. Love AUKEY products. This guy is going to look like this. Again with the rubber. You're going to have the AUKEY name on there, of course, on both of them. There's your 3.0 and another nice snug fit. You can see how everything's put together very nicely, very clean, stays nice and snug. That is the C end, USB 3.0 end. You got the same kind of a, really feels like rubber. These are heat resistant also, so they reduce the amount of heat when using them, which adds to your data speeds and your transfer speeds, etc. This is the 3.3 foot variety, and just another great product from AUKEY. I couldn't be more pleased with how these cables fit and work. I have boxes of their cables because I use them daily. They are not only for my high-speed charging devices. I use them on my MacBook. I have a Google Pixel I use them on. Anything I have that's USB Type-C, this is the cables I reach for. There are cheaper cables out there, and they are just cheap. And in the long run, they will cost you money, because if you ever read the article about the Google guy who works for Google burning up a Google Pixel computer because of a cheap cable, that got the ball rolling on everybody making better cables. AUKEY came out with their same cables they always have. They've been the same, just very well built. And thank goodness Amazon started removing the junk cables. And of course AUKEY is still there. So thanks again, AUKEY. This is your cables, guys. If you need cables, AUKEY is your go-to. USB Type-C male to male. USB 3.0 to USB Type-C syncing and charging cable. This is still your guy. Pick up a couple of these. You can pick them both up for under 20 bucks for both of them, which is crazy. I couldn't be happier. Thanks again to my friends at AUKEY. Run over to Amazon and pick yourself some of these cables up. I will see you guys on the next one. For your convenience, there are links to both products in the video, and also to my reviews on my website, which is techgeeks.com. That's TECKgeeks.com. Our social media buttons are there, so please like and follow us. And if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would be very helpful to me. And you'll get the benefit of getting email alerts whenever I post a new video for you to check out. Also, we announce product giveaways through YouTube, so you're going to want to be subscribed. I'll see you guys on the next one.